In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I spend my week as a business owner, how I prepare for shop restocks, and I want to show you guys my new apartment that I just moved into this week. I will post a full-blown apartment tour video, but in this video, I just want to give you guys a little bit of a sneak peek of how things are going with the move. Alright, so first things first is I got some new business cards. I ordered a box of 500 from Office Depot. And to me, it was a really good deal. I believe I only spent about $19 to $20 something dollars. I used to print my own business cards, which I feel like was a waste of printer ink and money because I would only be able to print 50 to 100 at a time. So it's really nice to have 500 business cards and I don't have to worry about business cards for a while. Another thing that I did today was go to Home Depot. I went and got some pre-stain wood conditioner. I'm going to be working on a collaboration with another small business that I'm so excited about. I went and got some supplies for that collaboration. We're going to be doing a coffee themed bundle. So these are just for the coffee bar that I will be making. If you haven't seen my coffee bars before, I'll go ahead and insert a picture in this clip. But they are so cute, and I kind of want to show you guys the candles I bought from my small business owner friend. Alrighty, so this is the box that the candles came in. The small business that I bought from is called Candle Lux Co. They're all handmade candles. One second, let me try to open this. They're all handmade candles. So I ordered two because I wanted to keep one for myself, but this is what they're called, Mocha Mommy. And it's coffee plus rich coca scented. It literally smells like coffee grounds. It smells so good. I wish you guys could smell this. And the person who buys our collab is truly blessed because this candle smells so good. I really love the branding and the thought that goes into all of her candles. It's a very great small business. I'll go ahead and leave their Instagram on this screen and in the bio as well, so you guys can definitely check this company out. If you guys have any questions about any of the materials that I am using, just go ahead and leave a comment down below. Alrighty, so it's almost restock time. It is currently 5:42 and I restock at 6 p.m. So basically right before each shop update, I just go ahead and click select all products, and then there's a button right here that says set visibility. And then at sometimes I'll do it at 5:59 and most of the time I just do it right at 6. I'll go ahead and click visible and all of the products will go ahead and be seen on my website. As always, on each restock I have stickers and air fresheners, and then we have the ocean coffee table, and then we have a bunch of side tables. And this week I did name all of my products after my supporters. So if you commented your name under my tweet, then you basically had a chance to get a piece named after you. And a lot of you guys had really beautiful names. you.